Hello everyone, good evening. I'm here guys to share with you again about the Our Lady of Guadalupe and Saint Juan Diego from Mexico guys. I'm here guys to share with you guys their beautiful pictures from Mexico guys that they are here in the Philippines. This is their pictures guys. These are their pictures guys from Mexico. So I will show you here guys their pictures that they are here in the Philippines. So this is original from Mexico guys. So I will share it to you their pictures guys so that you can look at their pictures guys that they are here in the Philippines recently from July 9, 10, 11 and July 11, 12, 13 and 14. So this is now guys their pictures you will look at. I will share their pictures guys. So here are their pictures. This is Saint Juan Diego guys. He's so handsome. He is so humble and patient in prayers. He is a very humble man. I like him guys, to see him in the pictures, very humble. Number 2 guys, the pictures of Mama Mary, Our Lady of Guadalupe from Mexico. Saint Juan Diego guys, the Cathedral Church. Mama Mary guys, Our Lady of Guadalupe. This is Our Lady of Guadalupe guys, full of flowers guys, her altar. At the scene guys, at the Cathedral Church from July 9 and 10 and 11 earlier. The altar guys, at the altar too. The image of the Our Lady of Guadalupe are full of people praying there at her altar at St. Augustine Cathedral yesterday. Here guys, the image of Our Lady of Guadalupe. Here is again guys. She's so beautiful guys. I love Mama Mary, Our Lady of Guadalupe. So this is guys the last picture of Mama Mary, Our Lady of Guadalupe. A tribute to Mama Mary, July 10, 2026 at 7 p.m. Vigil till 12 midnight, St. Augustine Metropolitan Cathedral, Cagayan de Oro. So this is guys the last picture of Mama Mary. So guys, I'm here guys again to share with you the part 2 prayers of Mama Mary of Guadalupe. Here in the comment section, I will share it guys. I will type it here guys, and thank you and God bless.